GATE 2021 instrumentation paper for process control subject. The question here is, consider a unity feedback configuration with a plant and a PID controller as shown in figure. He has given G of S value and C of S value, and the figure is given like this with unity feedback. We need to find out the value of K for stable system. So we need to find out the value of K, nothing but at which value of K the system will be stable. So let us solve this. Here, what is the given data? G of S is equal to 1 by S plus 1 into S plus 3. G of S is equal to 1 by S plus 1 into S plus 3. And C of S is equal to, what is the value he has given? K into S plus 3 minus J. K into S plus 3 minus J into S plus 3 plus J by S is given. And unity feedback means H of S is equal to 1. H of S is equal to 1. Now if you see the figure, right, what is the combination of these two? C of S into G of S. So both must be multiplied to get the corresponding total value. So therefore, here C of S into G of S. C of S into G of S. Here K into S plus 3 minus J, S plus 3 plus J. If you multiply those two, what you are going to get? S square plus 6S plus 10. S square plus 6S plus 10. After that, denominator, what is that? S will be there into S plus 1 into S plus 3. This is the value of C of S and G of S value. Now, if you want to write the characteristic equation, what is the characteristic equation here? Characteristics equation, right? 1 plus C of S into G of S is equal to 0. Now, for a unity feedback system, what is the characteristic equation? 1 plus C of S, G of S is equal to 0. Now, let us substitute this value. So, what will be there now? Here, characteristic equation is 1 plus this entire value, 1 plus K into S square plus 6S plus 10 by S into S plus 1 into S plus 3. S plus 1 into S plus 3, right, should be equal to 0. And we find out the equation from this. Here, S square, I am multiplying this, plus S into S plus 3 and value numerator K into S square plus 6S plus 10 is equal to 0. Now multiply here S cube plus 3S square plus S square, 4S square plus, what will be there? S square into S, S cube, S square into 3, right? 3S square and one more S square plus 3 into S plus K into S square plus 6KS plus 10K is equal to 0. From this, let us separate the values. S cube, S square and S square. If I take S square as common, 4 plus K. And S term is there here. If you take S as common, 3 plus 6K, right, plus 10K is equal to 0. Now we need to find out the value of K for stable system. The point is, after getting this equation, in order to find out the value of K for stable system, I am following Routh-Hurwitz criteria. So what is it here? S cube, highest order is 3, 2, 1 and normal value. So therefore I am taking here S cube and s square. What is s cube? Coefficient 1. And after that, s coefficient 6k plus 3 or 3 plus 6k? 3 plus 6k. S square coefficient 4 plus k. 4 plus k. And value 10k here. 10k. Now, what will be the value of s power 1 now? Here, this into this, BC minus AD. So, therefore, here 4 plus k into 3 plus 6k, right? Minus 10k into 1, 10k by 4 plus k, by 4 plus k, right? After that, if you want to get s power 0 equation, this value into this, right? And divide minus this into anyway 0 divided by this entire value, so that you are going to get the value as 10. After getting this, in order to have the stable system, the first column should not contain 0. So therefore, automatically, what is that? This 10k value must be greater than 0. So therefore, here for stable system, for stable system, 10k must be greater than 0. So therefore, automatically k value must be greater than 0. So this is what the value. Now let us go back and see the options. Here, only stable for k greater than 0. Yes. Stable for k between minus 1 and plus 1. Not less than 0. Stable for all values of k. No, only greater than 0 possible. Only stable for k less than 0. Wrong. So therefore, what is answer? First option is the correct answer. Clear?